What's going on, YouTube? We're out here with a couple cars. KRATON XL if it holds together. If not, we'll hit that one. My boy's got his little Rolalo, and we got a ramp. Let's see what happens. You guys, let's line this thing up and see what she does. That's not a very promising start. Let's hope this thing stays together. Watch out, buddy, I'm coming through. This little baby one, take off, get her going. Get the old KRATON XL warmed up. This is the full Basher Queen build. M2C chassis and Basher Queen, everything she makes. Watch out, buddy, I'm sending it. As long as the KRATON stays together, this thing's an amazing flying truck. My back wheels are tilted in too far. I can see I got some crazy camber or something going on there. Or toe in, or whatever you'll call it. Watch out, buddy, here I come. Watch. In the front. Dang it. Oh. Oh, hell no. Didn't see my other truck right there. Ramped it. Well, that'll work for my East Tactics, or did it have to be a double or something? There was the undercarriage right there, though. All right, let's really hit this thing. I can at the angle I got this ramp at. I'm gonna have to move this ramp a little bit. Come down the grass here. All right, now let's really hit this thing. All right, watch out, buddy. You're out the way. All right, here we go. Fuck, dude. Man. Holy hell, y'all, I just busted myself in the face. Yeah, I know it hit me. Daddy's face messed up. Yeah, I'm alright, man. Holy shit. Yeah, I'm good, bro. Holy shit. I appreciate it. Holy hell, man. Well, y'all, hold on. Man. Oh, yeah, we're going back. Busting myself in the face. Let my boy play for a minute. Let's see if I can't hit this ramp without killing ourselves. That's all right. Just push it under there. Watch out. Let me hit this thing once. Watch out, boy. Get back out the way. I just hit myself in the face. Get out the way. Nope, over there. Over here behind me. Behind me. Stand behind me for a second. Huh? All right, I'll get it in just a second. I'm half scared to even hit this sumbitch now. Well, leave it out for a second then. Oh, my body's off. Off mine? Yeah. Nothing. The body fell off of it. Hold on. It is. I can't even hit the ramp straight now, y'all. Busting myself in the face. Now I can't even hit the damn thing. Or I'm scared to hit it or something, I don't know. Oh, nose bombed it, damn it. That wasn't nice. I can't jump this thing without killing myself again. I about missed it, man. And it broke the piece of shit. Are you kidding me? Oh, it shot the fucking dog bone out of it. That's what flew out of mine, Kenny. Oh, we ain't driving this one no more. Hold on, you know. Collect, we found it. Well, let's hit this outcast out.